Greetings and happy Saturday. I hope you all are enjoying the weekend and finding some time to rest. Readings for week 2 include 2 chapters about the unit assessment planning process from Understanding by Design and a short but important chapter from Blended Assessment. I'd like to point out a few key elements of this week's readings. First, a key quote from page 14 in chapter 1 of the UBD text states, "We cannot say how to teach for understanding or which material and activities to use until we are quite clear about which specific understandings we are after and what such understandings look like in practice." This is why stage 1 of the unit assessment plan is such a critical step. We must get very clear about what students should know and be able to do before we begin designing assessments and instruction. Notice in both the assessment umbrella handout and in chapter 2 of the Balanced Assessment textbook the distinction between assessment and evaluation. Assessment refers to gathering evidence of student learning to inform instructional decision-making, while evaluation refers to the act of making a judgment about the information collected. In week 1, your work primarily focused on evaluation or grading. In week 2 and in following weeks, we will focus on methods for assessment, gathering evidence of student learning to inform instructional decision-making. In chapter 2, you also begin to develop an understanding of the importance of feedback in the assessment process. Considering what you learned about grading last week, what is your opinion on the importance of feedback? Are grades or feedback more informative for learners and teachers? I'd like to make a brief announcement about the grading project that's due on Tuesday, July 19th. I haven't received any questions or requests for clarification about the assignment, so I assume things are moving along well. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I look forward to seeing your solutions to these grading challenges. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.